So I was pooping watching this video. Yes, it's a podcast. I've seen clips of this, but I've never seen a full podcast. This is Clarence Angelo. Why do I say it so American? Angelo. Great podcast episode. This one is called "What's Your Favorite K-Pop Group Says About You?" And I was curious myself. I remember the clip that went viral, at least for me. I loved it. Is that if you're a Taehyung or V stan or bias, that means you a hoe. I said it's so slow. I promise y'all I'm not that slow. I graduated. I dropped out of college, but I graduated high school. Let's check this out. Let's check out the rest of it. Yeah. What does your bias or the group or the K-pop group that you stan says about you? Let's see theirs. And then we can rebuttal if you want, you know what I'm saying? But go check out their podcast. I'll put a link in the description.
This is where we answer your
or the
questions
video
that you send me on my Instagram story, but also on Spotify, which is
also they're Pinoy, and the only Pinoy that I know, I'ma say hi in Tagalog. Natatay ako. Let's continue.
First question I have. Based on the group that you stan,
What does it say about you?
That's it. With her. We're soulmates now.
Okay, first group,
BTS.
BTS.
If you like Taehyung, slut shame.
You are a whore!
You're not wrong.
Are dirty,
No,
nasty, and I agree.
Okay, here's what I will say about going through Twitter and like seeing like all these like Taehyung stands. Every single one of them is so hot.
I'm telling y'all, you know, like me right now, I'm crusty as fuck, but get me all looking good and scrumptious. I can look good. I'm cute. I'm not hot.
They're all
Taehyung stands
so hot.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
And what am I? A Jimin stan. Even
oh, they're all
hotter.
so ugly.
No, wait, Jimin stands are hot.
No, Jimin stands are also hot.
No, Jin
They're
biases
hot.
are the funniest. I would have
They
to say.
funny, they're
I will have to
energetic,
say.
And if you're
goofy.
an RM bias,
Daddy issues. If you say
RM bias, daddy issues though. Not me chewing my gum. Sorry.
Yoongi, you gay. If you stand Jungkook,
understand.
you a little bit gay.
You a little bit gay. Yo, real talk though, because listen, Jungkook is not even my bias or bias record, but I be looking at Jungkook and them Calvin Kleins, my boy.
Good hat on your shoulders.
Yeah.
You're pretty balanced.
Yeah. J-Hope. If
You're talented.
I love J-Hope stans. I'm not gonna lie. I love anyone that stands BTS, to be very honest.
you act the fuck out.
Nah, but
Put
J-Hope
on the list of groups.
are fun.
Okay.
Out of all the people, if I ever get a chance to interview a BTS member, it would be J-Hope, because I know damn well it's gonna be a fun time. Not to say that the other members wouldn't be fun. I feel like the other members would either be fun, but also really serious. But I don't know. Man, BTS, hit me up. Let's do an interview. Why not? Like it's that easy.
Stray Kids. I automatically think
Bondage.
I
My mouth opened. Bondage.
what?
No, it's Stray Kids. I think it's just like
Bondage. That kind of connects with Stray Kids, no? They do a lot of bondage stuff. Have you seen their lives? Have you seen their live show, their concert of them? They be on some bondage shit. You know what? He got a point.
a divide.
I do think it's a divide,
But
but I
generally,
will say Stray
you're
Kids.
also a whore.
Yeah, but I think Stray Kids stands are like super.
That Felix
nice.
though.
Twice. Gay.
Not my eyes like. Bakla.
You are good. you're gay or you're Kevin Wynn.
That's true.
Oh,
that's really
actually.
true.
aespa.
At Twice concerts, at Twice and aespa concerts, they're like,
Kevin Wins.
Let me hear you make some noise.
Yeah, it's like yeah or yeah.
Dead ass. Twice or aespa. It's both. Dead. Oh my god. Like yeah. Yeah. Or yeah. Yeah, I'm low key. Yo, can I have a hot take? I'm tired of barking. at concerts. Like I just wanna let this know. Like I'm tired of barking at concerts. Real talk. I'll do it, but at the same time, I just feel like I just bark. I just bark. I've been barking at so many concerts. God, I'm gonna keep on barking with her.
It's a harmony between yeah and
you do
True.
the high. Yeah.
POV. You're at a Twice concert.
That's true.
Bessie.
You.
True.
17.
Oh, they're funny.
I think.
Oh,
Damn.
sorry. P1 Harmony.
Oh, funny.
P1.
Funniest fandom.
Actually,
goes to
Every
P1.
time I go to a
Actually,
TikTok.
P1 stands are so funny. In all of the TikTok comments.
Ah! That's exactly. That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Kyo doing a thirst trap, and then
you
he
go to
said
the
this me,
comments.
The
this
comments
ugly.
make me laugh.
Oh my god.
Actually, a lot of the
Like,
K-pop
but in the
comments,
funniest way.
like in the
do think-
meme TikToks,
Actually, I do
are
think
good.
every single P1 Harmony video, the comments are always consistently funny.
Like P1 Harmony.
Like, if the video itself isn't funny, then I'll go to the comments.
comments.
And I'll be giggling it
Yeah.
up.
What do we say about 17?
They're
I don't
the
know.
most mentally stable.
You're right. Actually, that's very true.
Yeah.
Carrot.
The rest of us,
The carrots.
I don't know. I'm not
And
so
the dogs.
sure.
The rest of us, dumb as bricks. Dumb as sack of rocks.
What K-pop lingo do you use in your everyday life?
If y'all lose jopping, I'm gonna judge you. I had this whole topic about who the hell uses jopping. If you use jopping, there is no reason to, because no one's gonna understand you unless you actually a super M fan. Who's jopping out here? Jumping and popping. Only dancers. Dancers better be using it. Got me jopping.
I say bias for everything.
Buyers,
I say
yeah.
stand for everything.
Okay,
Like, oh
stand
my
too.
god, stand. Yeah.
just
We're
said-
looking at a menu and I'm like, who's your bias in this?
That's I say who's your bias to everything. Like, for example, I'm apartment hunting and we're choosing between units.
Yeah.
Oh
And I
no.
Roommate, which unit's your bias?
See, I'm not that far. Or I was that far, but I kind of like grew, like, I try to balance things now. I try to balance things now. Like, imagine if I'm like in an executive like dinner with a bunch of business people that got money, right? They got the type of money go all over my face, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm like looking at the menu and I'm like, ooh, which food is your bias? I feel like I've done that. Never mind.
And
She's
I
like-
didn't even say that to be funny. I was like,
Oh,
I was like, I just texted that.
So annoying.
Because I didn't even realize I texted that until she, like, it said, like, this person reacted with haha. Yeah, those are the lingos I use. Someone's like, who's your bias? And like, oh, I'm OT7, which means for
You just
the
like
non-common
all
sense,
of
you
them.
like them all.
Everything, yeah.
Like all of BTS.
Yeah, yeah.
BTS is 7 people. I'm like, in my brain, I'm like, okay, you're just indecisive.
Really? That's what you think? When someone says OT7,
Kinda.
I'm like,
Intent. I know it's a great intent.
yeah.
It's a great intent. Yeah, yeah.
But then it's like,
You like them all equally. Good for you. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say
You
good
like
for
them
you.
all, but you love one of them, and
You have to.
You want to be friends with one of them.
You do.
and you want to one of them. That's so.
Your bias is who you want to be like friends, like real close with, friends or marry, like relationship, and then your
Yeah.
bias records who you want to fuck on the side.
Yes.
Oh,
And-
interesting. Because that's how
And
that's
everyone's
how
like-
I choose, or like that's how
Oh.
I choose like a bias.
That's how
and,
you
like,
choose your bias.
Yeah.
She
Babe, they don't choose you. What the
she's
fuck?
she said it out loud. She said it out loud. She said it out loud.
You know what the most Delulu shit like
Huh.
video I saw is someone was like, "You don't choose your bias chooses you," and I was like, "This is not the Hunger Games."
Yeah. Whoever said that, I think you need to choose therapy. Okay.
I think I've said that many times in videos. I have. I was Delulu at the time. Went to therapy. Nah, I don't say that anymore. No, but like, there's a connect. Nah, that's something Lulu thinking, Dre. Your bias chooses you. Anyways, go check them out. They have some good stuff. I've checked a couple of their stuff. I actually watched them while I poop. Anyways, go check out their stuff. They're fire. Let me subscribe.
BTS is like a big.
Let me subscribe. They talk more than just K-pop, which I do like in general. P1 Harm, almost said PH1. For mukbang, reading K-pop thirst tweets. Ooh, healing your inner child. Oh, they have some nice topics. It's your boy Jerry. I've been doing this for way too long. I'm pretty sure I'm that Delulu person they talking about, saying that your bias chooses you. You don't choose your bias. Nah, you choose your bias. It's up to them if they choose you, which they'll never know. Alright, anyways, it's your boy Jerry. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. I don't know why I did that. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.